In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create card templates in Trello with this quick tutorial. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and go to Trello.com. Once there, you'll see a login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you already have a Trello account, great. You'll need to log in either using your email credentials, or for a quicker access, you can simply use your Google account. Choose whichever method works best for you. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Trello homepage. From here, navigate to the Boards section. Now, this is where all your existing boards are displayed. What you're going to do next is go to the Your Workspaces section. This will let you select and manage the variety of boards you have created or are a part of. Once you are in your workspaces, click on the board you want to work with. This can be any board suitable for the project or collection of tasks you have in mind. With your board open, you'll see all the cards and lists you've previously set up. The next step is to identify an existing card that you'd like to turn into a template. Hover over this card to highlight it and then click on it to select. Once the card is open, on the right hand section you'll see a button labelled Make Template. Go ahead and click on that. This action turns your ordinary card into a reusable template that can save time for similar future tasks or projects. Now, when you want to create new cards based on this template, you simply select Create Card from Template. This will open a new window where your card will be populated with the template information you've set up. A useful tip is to pay attention to the list drop-down option, which lets you decide where exactly the new card will be placed on your board. Select the list that best suits your needs from the drop-down menu. When you're ready, click on Create Card. Your card will now be placed in the list you selected, with all the template details preserved. Finally, after creating the card, close the menu to return to the main view of your board. This helps keep your workspace clutter-free and organized. And there you have it, you've successfully created a card template in Trello. This feature will undoubtedly streamline your workflow and ensure you maintain consistency across your projects. Thank you for watching, and be sure to give this a try on your own Trello boards.